Hello and welcome to another version of me, Fabio. Today I am at Durham. Now today is the first time I've been out for nearly a year and a half, a month, just over a month, when I went to Newcastle, Berwick on holiday, but with been money worries, that's why I haven't been out for a while. But today I will be joined by CW Productions, Jack Swallow and Ryan Macy. Today is my birthday / Christmas special. The first train we'll be seeing is a charter from Stevenage to Edinburgh, and then to finish off will be the new Swallow livery train. So see you when they arrive. First train to pass through is a Class 44 charter with on the rear. Couldn't catch the front one. Today you'll be seeing certified cross country Virgin East Coast, London LNERs I should say, VTEC, freight and obviously charter. Next train to pass through is a freight. It's 66 566 592 557 and 543. And also arriving into Durham is cross country service going to Plymouth. I'll get the numbers on its departure. Departing now is cross country service to Plymouth. And the number is 220018. That's 220018. Next train doing is a TPX service to Newcastle 185 115. Departing now is the TPX service to Newcastle 185 115. Next train arriving is the HS3 LNER service going to London's King's Cross, calling it Dalton, York and London's King's Cross. And on the front it's 43300 on the front. I'll get the rear on this departure. Departing now is the delayed 1110 LNER service to London's King's Cross, so 43300 on the front. 117 in the livery. And also on platform 2 there's a TPX service just arrived in numbers. And on the rear, Ford 3295, and there's the TPX service in platform 12. Next train passes 156 456 And also departing is TPX service to Liverpool Lime Street. Also just arriving now in his LNER service to Edinburgh. 91115 runs. And 82201 on the rear. Departing now is the LNER cross-country LNER service to Edinburgh. Next train to arrive is a TPX service to Manchester Airport. And also arriving in is a cross-country service. I think it's going to Glasgow, but I'll confirm it as when it passes. As indeed going to Newcastle. So 22123. Next train pass through is the TPX service to Manchester Airport. And it's 158-115. Next train to arrive is in a London King's Cross service, LNER. And also here today is Alex Dodds. And on the front it's 82203 on the front. And I got the rear on its departure. Passing now is LNER cross-country service 9112132 and 82202. Right, now is an LNER London's King's Cross service. With 82203 on the front. And on the rear is Intercity 50 and it's 911128. Departing now is the cross country service to Southampton Central. And the number is 22002333 220033. And thanks driver, thanks to the driver for giving us the two-tone. Departing now is the cross country service from Glasgow Central to Penzance, I think, but it's definitely to Penzance. And the number is 220003. Driving now is the TPX service from Liverpool Line Street to Newcastle. And it is 158 120. Next train to pass through is the first fast train from Aberdeen to London. With 43305 on the front. And 43 something on the rear. Next train due in is a LNER service to Edinburgh. On the front it's 91 130, Lord Mayor of Newcastle nameplate. And on the rear, it's 82212. Driving now is a cross country service. Can't see where it's going, I'll try. And it's off to Newcastle. And the number is 221140. Next train through is the Aberdeen service. It's 43315 on the front. And 43316 on the rear. Due in now as a cross country service off to Edinburgh. with 220004. And also arriving is another cross-country service. I will get its destination and numbers on its departure. Departing now is a cross-country service and it's going to Reading from Newcastle. It might be 221123. And on the rear will be that, but the numbers will be separate. And here's a flying banana. See if I can catch the numbers. Oh, 3062 on the rear. Couldn't get the front. Driving in now is a LNER service to London's King's Cross from Edinburgh. On the front it's 82204. And I'll get the rear on its departure. Departing now is LNER cross-country LNER service to London King's Cross with 82204 on the front. And on the rear it's 91,112. Part now is a TPX service 185,120. Arriving now into Durham is one of the longest train journeys in the UK. It's a train from Aberdeen all the way to Penzance, and it's a 12-hour journey from cross country. So, and a vomiter, so especially on that. But I'll get the numbers on its departure. Part now is a cross country service. LNER cross country service to Penzance from Aberdeen, the longest train journey.
Can't believe you've done what?
And then leader pulling the longest train journey is 221130. Next service through is the Highland Tiefin from Inverness to London's King's Cross. 43367 on the front. and 43,317 on the rear. Thanks for the tutorial from the driver there, thank you very much. The next train is the train that I have specifically come to Durham for, the specially liveried Swallow livery intercity with 91119 on the front. This is the first time I've seen it being out. It's been out for about a month, and it's the first time I've been out to catch it. And lucky enough, I caught it. And it's nice. I'll get the 82 on its departure. Departing now is 91119 LNER service to Edinburgh. And as this train leaves, this will be my last service of the day. I would like to thank everyone for watching the video. Please like, sub and subscribe. Like, comment and subscribe. If you got any comments, please comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. I'm not too sure when my next video will be, but I will let you know on my Facebook page, which is Ferry Train Spotter. So on the rear it's 82214, and that's the part. I shall leave it here. Thank you all for watching. Thank you from here at Durham. Thank you and goodbye.